Well, hello again, everybody. Well, tonight for dinner, I'm making a ginger orange chicken stir fry, and I think it's going to be amazing. And this is one of those recipes that just kind of came to me this morning, so I'm winging it, and hopefully it's going to be awesome. So I'll bring you along. Alright, so I have already cut up my chicken, and I cut some large chunks. I didn't want it too small. And I have dredged it in cornstarch with salt and pepper. But I have some little chunks here, and I'm going to fry these up separate because I'm making my Wonton Wednesday video, and I made some little wonton cups. So I'm going to make these small pieces that will go in that. So I'm going to take this over and start frying these up and show you what comes next. Alright, I've got my wok here. I'm going to get it heated up. Alright, that's starting to get hot. Now I'm going to use olive oil. You can use whatever kind you like, but that's what I cook with most of the time. So just want that to get hot enough. I found this wok today on sale, 50% off, and it was with the lid and I don't know, some bamboo accessories for $10. I had already planned to make this tonight, so that was kind of neat. Alright, I'm just going to put these little pieces in here, and they won't take that long to cook. So I'm going to let them cook first. We're just going to get these lightly browned. Alright, now I'm just going to take those out and set them aside. Now I'm going to fry up the larger chunks in batches. Okay, let me get these fried up and I'll bring you back. Alright, so I've got all the chicken fried up. And I have it sitting right here because it's just going to be out for a minute. Now here I have just a little bit of chopped up ginger, some carrots that are sliced on the diagonal, some onion, and I just want to let those just cook just a little bit, and we're going to put a nice pinch of red pepper flakes, some pepper, and some salt. I'm just going to let that cook for just a minute. I'm going to add a few handfuls of sugar snap peas. And we just want to lightly stir fry these so that they're not completely raw, but I don't want them overcooked either. Alright, I'm going to add the chicken back in. This was 2 chicken breasts. They were large, but this plus the small chunks that I cut up all came from 2 chicken breasts. Alright, now I have some orange marmalade, and I'm just going to put in, probably a heaping tablespoon. And then I have some ginger preserves. And we already had some of that chopped up ginger. I'm going to put a little more than a heaping tablespoon. And now I'm going to squeeze some fresh orange into that. And we just want to get those preserves just melted so that they give everything that wonderful flavor. So just toss it all together, make sure everything gets a little bit of that coating. I'm gonna let this cook for just a minute, and then it's ready. I'm going to give it a taste and see what seasoning it needs. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of both preserves. Again, I just made this up, so I'm tasting as I go. And you don't even need a thickener for this because you've coated the chicken in the cornstarch and the preserves are thick. So I think this is ready. All right, here it is, and it is beautiful. I added just a little bit of sliced green onion on top, but it's just so pretty and it smells amazing. The chicken is so tender. And carrots are perfect. They're just tender crisp. Oh, and the snap peas are perfect. Still have some crunch. Now I'm going to make up a little bit more sauce and add it to those small chunks, and that will be for my Wonton Wednesday little bites. But this is so good. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you come back soon. Thanks for watching Vickie's Country Home, and if you like this, subscribe and share.